How to update your software on your Samsung phone. Now, in order to update your software, just simply open your settings application and scroll down to all the way to bottom, and you are gonna see this option of software update. Select software update option, and in here you will see if there's any software update available for your phone. In my case, I don't have any software update available. Just simply select the software update if there is any available, and there will be install button. Just simply tap into that. I have already updated my software to latest version on 14th November 2025. As you can see here, you can also check if your software is updated or not from this section. And if you don't want to miss out on any updates, you just simply need to tap into this auto download and set it for the future updates into using Wi-Fi only or using Wi-Fi or mobile data. I recommend using Wi-Fi only option in this section, and your software will be automatically updated when they will be available. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.